Hi, I'm Jesh Krishnamurthy and we are Advanced Nature. We're an art practice based out of Pune that's looking at waste and how we coexist with waste and how do we create a world where we're all kind of living with a lot more consciousness about the waste that we have. So our main core idea is to look at the chemistry of the waste and see how we can synthesize materials which are very low carbon footprint and materials which also help clean up our landfills. So actually what you see here is a landfill.